Welcome back to RunmanReCords Design. Today we show you best tiny apartment interior design ideas. Maximizing storage solutions. Living in a tiny apartment means getting creative with storage solutions. Here are some tips to make the most out of your space. Utilizing underbed storage. Your bed can do more than just provide a comfy spot to sleep. Invest in bed frames with built-in drawers or simply use underbed storage containers to stash away extra linens, out of season clothes or shoes. Creating built-in shelving. Make use of vertical space by installing built-in shelves on empty walls. These shelves can hold books, decor items, or even act as a mini pantry for kitchen essentials. Multifunctional furniture selection. When every square inch counts, opting for furniture that serves multiple purposes is key. Here is how to choose pieces that work double duty. Foldable and convertible furniture. Consider furniture pieces that can be easily folded or converted to accommodate different needs. Think foldable dining tables, sofa beds, or nesting tables that can be tucked away when not in use. Hidden storage in furniture pieces. Look for furniture with hidden storage compartments, such as ottomans with lift-up tops or coffee tables with built-in drawers. These hidden gems can help keep clutter at bay while maximizing your space. Clever space division techniques. Creating distinct zones within your tiny apartment can make it feel more organized and spacious. Try key space division techniques. Using room dividers. Room dividers, such as curtains, sliding doors, or folding screens, can help separate different areas, like the living room from the bedroom, without the need for physical walls. Open shelving as room separator. Open shelving units can act as both storage and room dividers. Use them to delineate your workspace from the rest of the room or to create a cozy reading nook within a larger area. Friends, thank you very much for watching. I hope his tiny apartment design ideas will be very useful for you. You watched the channel about decor and design, RunmanReCords Design.